Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to show you on how to make a group chat on Discord. First, open the Discord app on your device. Then log in to your account. Next, click the three lines icon at the top left of the screen. At the top, you can see the message icon. Click on that one. Now select the people that you want to invite to the group chat. Note that you can only add 9 friends in the group chat. Once you're done selecting your friends, then simply type in your message and tap the send button below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.